Wagwan everybody, I want to welcome you to my channel. I go by the name of Fashionable, and in this video today I'm gonna be installing this wig, and it was custom made to my likings in somewhat way. Also, we're not gonna do too much when it comes to the styling because I want it to be beginner friendly. So here what, let me thank my sponsor Premium Lacewig for sponsoring this video. And in the package I received these goodies. And this is the wig description right here, and as I said, it was custom made. So this is their 24-inch Burmese Curly full lace wig, and with the baby hair it is 4C. Also the density is 180, but I wish they had sent it in 200 because usually the density for a full lace wig is not the same thickness compared to a frontal or closure wig, because those wigs have bundles, like they sew down the bundles, and this is untied, so it's different. With the color, it is in jet black. It also came pre-plucked, and they say that it was pre-bleached, but that ain't the case because I don't see it. The lace for it is Swiss lace. This is the shedding that I got so far. I also went with a medium wig size with no elastic band, no wig combs or adjustable straps, because I want to be able to be freestyle doing whatever I want, but I also have a replacement adjustable straps and it is stretchable. So I bleached the knots off camera. Now we're getting ready to get busy, and I'm gonna be cutting off the lace from the back. I'm not gonna be able to see it, and I don't want to cut my hair or my skin, so it's just best to remove it from now. Right now I'm applying some foundation on the front part of the lace and also on the stocking cap. Placing the wig on my head and adjusting it according to my hairline. Adhesive spray to secure the lace in section. So now that the wig is properly secure, I'm going to customize my hairline slightly before styling. So that part, not because the wig comes this way mean that you have to stick with it. You need your hairline to be given realistic. So whatever hairline you have, you just try to recreate it. Trimming the excess lace carefully around the hairline. After trimming off the lace, I applied my adhesive spray. I need everything to be laying flat and also melted into the skin seamlessly. So we're gonna get that done. adding some more hairspray to get the lace that is lifting and cutting down the baby hair. So this part wasn't supposed to be going on, because doing a baby hair segment was not supposed to be a part of this video. That's why I went with a 4C edges, but because it is not 4C, well, you have to go to some soup when it comes to the baby hair. So that part. So when it comes to the edges, you just notice that sometimes you have to go back in it like 2-3 times to get the lace laying down, because at the end of the day, the end result supposed to be it melts into the skin. So you definitely gonna need yourself a headband, whatever it is, to tie down that lace into the skin. Yes, because it needed to be giving coming out of the scalp. Now that the baby hair is out of the way, now I am going to be combing it out. You're getting fullness from it when it's dry, but when it is wet, not so much. So that part. But with a full lace wig, you're able to add bundles to it. So if you're into wigs, you definitely need yourself a full lace wig, so you can achieve whatever hairstyle you want. Now I'm removing the headband, and this is the parting space. You see what I'm talking about? See, this is why you need yourself a full lace wig, so you can be versatile when it comes to styling. I can do so many hairstyles right now, but I'm keeping it simple. I'm using the blow dryer with the diffuser to get the hair on the curls partially dry and uniform in our way-ish. And I'm gonna use some hairpin at the back because I went with no adjustable straps. This is gonna be my replacement adjustable straps, so that's why I went without it. And we are done. Yes, this is a completed look, and I can say that I love me a full lace wig because it can be very versatile with any hairstyle that you want to achieve. You can get it. My only downside to this is that I wish I got it in 200 density. I also wish that the hairline was 4C because that's what I requested. And with the coloring, I'm gonna have to go back in it with some black dye because it will need to be more black. Anyway guys, if you are interested in this wig, I will link the information down below. It will be a direct link. And if you haven't already subscribed to the girl channel, please do. Anyway guys, later, and I will catch you on the next one. Yeah.
All night long.
All night.